All right, excuse me. So guys, this is another problem out of 4.2. I'm not sure exactly what question it is, but it's a problem here out of 4.2. And it says the probability that an individual is left-handed is 0.001 or 0.110. In a class of 50 students, what's the probability of finding 5 left-handers? Okay, since we're talking, this is from 4.2, since we're talking about binomial distributions here in 5.2, what I'm going to do here, the way I'm going to do this problem, I'm going to use my binomial. Oops, that's really messy. Let me fix this. Sorry about that, y'all. Okay, I'm going to use my binomial. Oh, still not better. PDF. Okay, when I'm doing this on my calculator, it's going to ask me for a couple of things. The first thing is going to ask me for my number and how many people are we looking at. The second thing it's going to ask me for is my probability. And the third thing it's going to ask me for is this variable x, which is how many left-handers we're going to be looking at in our case, okay? So look, let me show you all how I'm going to do this. Binomial PDF. Okay, remember, n is the number of people we're looking at. Well, we have a total of 50 people. My probability is, in this case, that 0.110, and we're trying to find exactly 5 left-handed people. Okay, so I'm going to do this exactly just the way I wrote it out on my calculator. So I'm going to come back to my calculator. Let me clear all this business. The way I'm going to do this on my calculator, y'all, I'm going to hit the second button and then the button that says vars. Oops. So right here, and I'm going to scroll down until I find binomial PDF. If you look towards the bottom of my screen, it's part A. If you look at part B, it looks real similar, but I don't want to use part B. I want to use part A. Okay. And if you notice here, it has number of trials and then P and then X. So we said we had 50. Oops, I lost it. Let me come back to it one more time. Second vars and choice A. Here we go. So we had 50 people. Our probability was 0.110, and we wanted to have exactly 5 left-handed folks, okay? And then I'm going to hit enter, and if you notice, the number I'm coming up with is 0.180. So when I come back to my choices, I'm going to see that, hey, you know what? That's going to be choice A. And so I'm going to be picking choice A for my answers, okay? Because I'm coming up with 0.180, and I had some other numbers after that. But this is basically a binomial distribution. We're trying to find exactly 5 out of the 50 when the probability is 0.110, okay? Y'all got any questions? Let me know.